Hi there, as you can see I'm in the kitchen right now, so you stand a chance to learn some new words around kitchen and cooking. So here we go. In this video I will show you how to make a fast dish, perfect for people who are busy. So I'll show you the ingredients I have. So here, a pack of potatoes, then I have an onion and broccoli, sausages, pork belly, and of course mushrooms and pepper, carrots. Okay, these are all ingredients I need. Then you'll also need this cookware which is heat resistant, and this pot is heat resistant, is perfect for making a casserole, and the dish which is hearty and easy and fast to make as well. Okay, so I will prepare the ingredients now. And let's get it started. I will show you in steps how to make this perfect dish. As you can see, I diced the onion and put it into the casserole dish here. And now I'm getting down to preparing other ingredients. I chopped the carrot into thin slices and put it into the casserole dish. And as you can see, I added broccoli at the top. I sliced the potatoes to have another layer in my casserole dish. I added some red pepper at the top as well, and I have also another layer in my casserole dish. Slice and dice some mushrooms and fry them first, because it will probably take longer to fry these mushrooms than to fry pork belly here. So when you notice that these mushrooms are ready, or nearly ready, then you add pork belly there, alright? So I added pork belly and it's being fried right now. So as you can see, I mixed all the ingredients and added basic spices as well, and chopped the sausage to have more meat in it. But I added actually salt, black pepper and marjoram, and I mix it all together. Then what I'm going to do now is to put a lid on it and put the entire casserole dish, into the oven, and set the temperature 180 degrees and wait for around 1 hour and 15 minutes. Okay, I will pull it out in a minute or two, but I recommend you to actually put on these gloves, yes, because you can scorch your hands easily. So this is the meal, as you can see. It's easy to make, it doesn't take much time actually to prepare it, and I drink a chamomile tea with it. I think it's a good choice. Alright, so that's it. I hope that you liked the recipe, and maybe you'll try it yourself and will let me know whether you find it tasty or not.